Hey everybody, I'm Miss Brenda and this is my piano lesson virtual classroom. Welcome. Today we are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 lesson book and we are doing a challenge on page 62. So, one of my other videos that I just put out recently and I'll link to is the warm-up adventure for scales C and G. So now we're going to add 4 more scales. This is going to be awesome for you to learn. So let's look at the first one. The first one is our D scale. So that means your right hand thumb is on D and your left hand pinky is on D. And our third finger, our middle finger, is going to be on the black key of F sharp. And you're going to play the same pattern that you play over here in these two scales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Okay, now let's look at the next one. This is A, and with A, we have a C sharp. So we're going to move our right hand thumb up to A, our left hand fifth finger, pinky, up to A, and our third finger is going to be on C sharp. Now, moving down, we have our E 5-finger scale, and we are going to move our right hand thumb up to E and our left hand fifth finger pinky up to E. And then we are going to put fingers in our left hand, 4 and 3 on F sharp and G sharp. And in the right hand, we're going to put 3 and 4 on F sharp and G sharp. And we're going to follow our 5-finger scale pattern. Now we have one more left. And this is our F scale. So right hand thumb is going to move up to F. Left hand fifth finger pinky is going to move to F. And in our right hand, your fourth finger is going to be on the B flat. And in your left hand, your second finger is going to be on the B flat. And you're going to follow our 5-finger scale pattern. So I'm going to play all of these for you. So I want you to listen to them and then I want you to practice them. And these are great to practice if you know the key of the piece that you're going to be playing. So with our key signature for Lightly Row, that was in the key of C. So you would play the C scale as a warm-up. If you get a piece that's in the key of G, it has F sharp, so you would warm up with the G scale. So let's listen to how these scales sound, and I'll come back and give you a tip or two after. Take it away, Brenda. We are now going to play the D 5-finger scale. Our right hand thumb is on D, our left hand fifth finger is on D, and our third fingers are on F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our right hand first finger is on D, and our left hand fifth finger is on D. Our third finger is on F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll move up to the A 5-finger scale. So our first finger in the right hand goes to A, our fifth finger in the left hand moves to A, and our third finger is on C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's move to the E 5-finger scale. So we're going to move down. Our right hand first finger is on E, and our left hand fifth finger is on E, and our fourth and third finger in the left hand is on F sharp, G sharp, and our second finger in the right hand is on F sharp, and our third finger is on G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move up one key to F. Right hand first finger is on F, left hand fifth finger is on F, and in the left hand, our second finger is on B flat, and in the right hand, our fourth finger is on B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that you've listened to those scales, and I hope you've played them by now, what do you think about those? I get excited not only about the scales, but learning to play the chords. Learning to play chords just opens up the world of music to you. With learning to play your chords and getting your chord patterns right, you are going to be able to play thousands of songs. Your favorite songs that you have heard on the radio will come to life because you can play along with them by learning your scale and learning the chords that go in that scale. And I am excited for you to learn that, get that down, and just be able to play. So, I'll be looking forward to meeting with you on our next virtual piano lesson in my virtual classroom. So until then, keep on playing and enjoy the piano.